let's learn how to log out of your X or Twitter account in 2023. Hello everyone. Welcome back to ProTech Tutor. Whether you're switching accounts, using a shared device, or just want to enhance your account security, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. To begin, open X or Twitter application on home screen of your mobile phone and make sure you sign into your Twitter account. Next step, tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Support. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, select your account on the top of the page. And then, tap on Account Information. You'll see the information related to your X account. What you need to do is to simply click or tap on this Logout button, which should be at the bottom of the page. And then they'll ask you if we want to log out. So just tap on Logout to confirm your decision. And that's how you can log out your Twitter or X account on iOS and Android devices. I hope this tutorial helped you. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.